All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. And overall, this car is absolutely gorgeous, both inside and out, and they did an amazing job on this restoration. I love this paint. Looks really good. Now you're gonna have a couple dimples here and there, a few little scuffs. Here on the chrome trim, you're gonna see a few scratches. Check out that wheel, American Racing. Chrome looks good. Tires are in great condition. Emblem looks good. Do have some flaws there. You can see that looks good. We have some dents on that chrome trim. A-pillar looks nice. All of that's in great condition. You're going to see a few small surface scuffs. I do see some damage right there. You're going to see some flaws here on the lower side. Some small cracking there. Quarter panel looks good. All of that's in great condition. That wheel looks amazing. That roof looks good. I do see a small dent there. We'll see if we can't check that out in just a second. Right there, see how that light kind of ripples? It's very subtle. A little bit of damage there. A couple small rock chips. The rest of that looks nice. Kind of scanning the hood. A few small scuffs. You're going to see some light hazing there. Gorgeous headlights. That chrome is in great condition. You can just see how nice this is. Couple flaws here and there on the fender, and then right there you're going to see some damage. Little flaws here and there. Wheel looks good. A-pillar looks nice. A couple chips along the edge. You're going to see some more down here on the lower section, a few scuffs. Get up close, you're going to see a couple cracks down that line. Another crack there. Here on that paint, every once in a while you're going to see some spots like this where you have some texture. There it is. Trying to get in that right light. Of course, we are in perfect lighting. Real faint scuff there. Quarter panel looks good. Wheels nice and clean. Looking at that deck lid. Looks good. You're going to have the flaws here around that trim. The rest of that looks good though. Try to get underneath here. Got the wrap right there. Absolutely gorgeous car. And looking at the trunk, you got an Optima red top from 8 of 2021, and you got the trickle charger port already hardwired there. A couple stains, little scuffs here and there, otherwise in great condition. See, all this is finished really nice. Looks really good back here. All right, check out the interior. Absolutely gorgeous. All 4 windows roll down perfect. Scanning through the jamb here. That looks nice. Now you can see they did paint this section up here. It is kind of running, splotchy. Gets better here, and then splotchy again there. Like I said, windows work great. Handles on there nice and secure. The panel itself looks good. All of that looks nice. Leather in here, super soft. And looking at the steering wheel, a couple little scuffs. Just kind of scanning through here. You're going to see little chips every once in a while, but overall looks good. Got the Dakota digital gauges. Those look amazing. The rest of that looks nice. Got the Hurst 5-speed. Absolutely gorgeous. Sound radio here. All right, here on the seat back, you're going to see some indentions and some scratches. That looks good. Seat looks absolutely gorgeous. All of that looks nice. Then checking out the headliner, absolutely gorgeous until we get right here. There is a rip on that little spot. It's pretty small though. Here on that door panel, handle's nice and secure. A couple little scuffs on the upper section. Window rolls down perfect. The rest of that material looks good. That looks nice. Here on that trim, that's in great condition. Seat looks amazing. Nice and soft. You're going to see a couple scratches right there. The rest of this looks really nice. Upper side of the dash looks good. And then check out the engine bay. Got the LS3 swap here. Just gonna scan through some of this. Try to get up close. Looks really good. All right, we're gonna go on a quick test drive. This thing drives really nice. I've already put a couple miles on it. Shifts nice and smooth. That LS3 sounds amazing. There's no complaints with how this car drives. Very, very easy to drive. Steering's nice and straight. Clutch feels good. Really lightweight to it. Doesn't take a lot of pressure to push it in. Like I said, with shifting, nice and smooth. Brakes right here. Brakes are solid. This thing stops on a dime. Very nice. You're gonna have your typical creaks and rattles. The steering is nice and responsive, straight, doesn't have a lot of play or shimmy to it. Just a very, very easy car to drive. Come to a stop here. Like I said, brakes feel really good. Throw it in first.